to drop my We're playing crazy games and we're going to be playing Vex. Free. When can I see you again?
Oh, no.
Better do these dishes.
No, not yet. Too early yet. You good boy, Dad?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah, I didn't get
Do
it on
you have
time.
a roast, don't you?
No fried chicken.
Can
Can you get that out tonight?
Which one?
The roast.
Rice, only a small egg, no real big one.
Will you get that out tonight?
Yeah, it's only about that long. If I want any big ones there that day when I got it.
I really hate Vex, but I have to play for the video. Hanging on. Alex,
yeah, because she put 2 packets of biscuits in one, so that nothing was more. I said, next time if it's too thick, if it's lighter.
it was too close.
So what have you decided about those shoes? They've got no half, 8.5.
God damn it.
But we did say they would stretch a bit.
I'll have that good look at it.
No, if you want them, I can order them from Surf Stitch and get them.
Oh, I'm dead.
But that's so it's tonight. No, but I can order them.
Well, I reckon that, no, I can't.
It's 8 or 9.
No.
So if you want them.
No, again.
Surf Stitch 99.
Oh, that's a good time. That's why I hate Vex. I've died like 3 times already.
Yeah.
Bouncy, bouncy.
So order them tonight.
So take a good time, grab onto it.
But it's, yeah.
You want to go again and have to come over this look?
Yeah, just so that we know. But if there's 9s are slipping and they stretch, it's not much.
No,
Go
okay.
away.
Well, I'm going to get everything over.
Yeah,
I'm going to get it.
Oh, no! Oh, no. Yeah. I hate Vex, but I have to play for the video. What?
Shush, honey.
Thank God you didn't tell me shut up this time. Jesus.
Now, do you want pies for tea tonight?
Yeah, because I didn't have to wash them.
Alright, because I'm going to use the oven.
Yes, yeah. Dead. No.
How many did you like?
Look at my fingers. I want 5 because I'm really hungry for 4 then.